Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I went to Five Below, and here I'm just going to encourage you to also view online. They have a lot of great options, but many of the items I'm showing you are just in store, especially the first couple of items and their bigger options. But there's so many things you can buy, and I know you all like Five Below as much as I do, so definitely check out online. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and now we can get started. When I tell you I'm in shock, they had a basketball hoop for $25, and online I found an LED basketball hoop light that I thought was really cool. So for $30 you have a fun activity, obviously better for the spring because it's definitely snow on the ground here, but I thought it was nice to have the light up option for your basketball hoop and the fact that they had a basketball hoop at Five Below. Amazing. And then they have this office chair for $10, or at least that's what it says. And it's a massage cushion office chair, which is incredible. Of course, there's a bunch of workout gear, but I didn't focus on that in this video. I found a lot of nice speakers that look really well here too. Really like the colors. And then, of course, my favorite section, the bins. You guys know I love the bins and organizational containers that Five Below has. They have some new colors and some faux wood looking options here as well. All the bins here are plastic, really nice and sizable. And then, of course, there's those neutrals with the cream and the white. And this is sort of a green, teal, blue color. And there's also a gray. They had some laundry baskets there to the right, and then some more options here with this blue color, I think it is, kind of a pale blue. So perfect for anyone who's trying to be organized in the new year. And I found their new version of the clear bins. These are wider and shorter than the ones I usually show you all, but they do have them in other colors like a pink and a blue here, the pale blue, and then there are the little baby baskets there as well. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. Now, I picked up 2 of the small bins in clear. I needed some more organization under my bathroom sink. This is the bathroom that is in progress and has been for a while, but this fit a few smaller items that I just wanted to corral under my sink, and it worked out perfectly. So I went online to see if there were some more bin options for you. As you notice, the teal blue is considered a deep green, which it does not look like that in stores, you guys. It is teal blue. And the pale blue color is actually lavender, but they do still have their clear acrylic options, some storage bins with lids. I actually saw the one with the fur lid in store, the over-the-door storage, and just a variety of storage options with their baskets and bins, so definitely check online. These baskets have rope or twine wrapped around them, but I believe they are metal baskets. There's some more rugs down here, and then I found this cute sort of wannabe boucle basket as well with a faux leather strap on either side. And I saw some lamps that were really cute and modern, especially this one, really nice and modern, perfect for a desk area or even a hallway. And then they have this one here, it's a sunset projection lamp, which I thought was really cool. I then came across these stools. Now these are footstools. They are not hardy at all, and they can break if you put too much weight on them. They have the clear wall hooks still. I think these are really nice. They can also go over your door. And then this is the newest shelf that I've seen. It's wood and metal, so I focused on that in this video. And then of course I love the picture frame options here. These are nice and gold, and there's 4 in a set. And then there's some more faux plants. These on a wall will be really pretty, especially if you did 3 or 5 of them on an accent wall. And I believe these are from Christmas, but they were some nice faux plants as well, and a magazine rack. It's nice and neutral, could be painted. And then I found some more neutral rugs. The black chevron one in particular was my favorite, and I'm thinking of buying it for no reason at all. I have nowhere to put it, but I really like it. And then I wanted to show you all that the enamel tables are back. I have this in white. You saw me put it up in my recent video where I did the Nook, and this is one of my second hauls, I believe, from Five Below, where I showed you how to put this together. It turned out really well. Again, doesn't hold a lot of weight, but I just have a tray on it with a candle and a couple of vases, and it looks really good in my Nook now. I came across this faux leather document sleeve. It's in two colors, gold and navy blue. And I just thought it was really sophisticated if you are doing a hybrid situation, or you're back in the office fully and you handle documents, or maybe you are purchasing a home and you need to put some documents in here. You're an attorney, whatever. I just thought these were a nice option to hold important documents. So the document sleeves are nice and thin and modern, very clean lines, and perfect to slip into a tote bag. Now there were several journals here in Five Below, but I thought this one was fun and really cute, and I appreciate them being inclusive. I always like to show you guys the games. They have some really sophisticated looking games like this bingo set. I believe I've shown it to you before in a clear acrylic with blue bingo balls. It's nice and big, but looks good and will fit in any game room or on a coffee table. I thought this poker set was really nice looking, good color for your living room or again your game room. And I'm going to show you the word pile that they have. It's really nice as well. And I purchased this checker set that looked really nice. It's wood, as well as the backgammon set, also really nice looking, would go great in any decor style. But let me show you the checker set. So it comes in a nice box. I just undid the little tape here and then pulled it out. It is wrapped in plastic to protect the board, and then you get these little faux wood pieces that serve as your actual checkers. Everything is black and white, again very neutral, great for a modern space, a sophisticated space. And here's me just playing around and putting them on here so you can see everything. Thank you all for joining me. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Bye!